Hannah.
And I'm Devin.
And this is your marketing moment.
Keyword difficulty. So this is kind of more of an advanced marketing moment. If you are working with an agency right now, or you've kind of like dipped your toe in the waters of keyword research, you will notice a little metric called keyword difficulty. It's a scale from 0 to 100, 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. What's important here is depending on which tool you use, they're calculated differently. So Ahrefs versus SEMrush versus Ubersuggest, these are all keyword research tools. They're all going to have different keyword difficulties. So if you can kind of understand the science behind the tool you're using and how they've calculated that keyword difficulty, it'll help you make kind of an educated decision when choosing a keyword, because maybe the keyword difficulty in Ahrefs, which is calculated based on the number of backlinks for the top ranking results, maybe that's different than the way SEMrush does it, and so what seems more difficult in Ahrefs is a lot easier in SEMrush. But knowing how the two tools differ is going to help you make an educated decision on choosing a keyword and factoring in how hard it will be to rank, judging by that keyword difficulty score.
Wow.
Lots of info, but that's it. That is your marketing moment on keyword difficulty.
Thanks, guys.